Hi, George. Yes, this is the problem when you're trying to trap TNR cats. Um, Sometimes you catch the same cat, which is exactly what happened here. Hi, buddy. I know, I'm going to let you out. Okay? Here, let me let you out. You hang on right there, I'll let you out. Ready? Are you ready? Hang on, buddy. There you go. Be good, buddy. Yep, and he ate all the food, too, look. I was trying to trap a different cat. Actually, two of them, but they're smarter than I thought. And at least he got a good dinner.